Hey everybody, welcome to a fun race. Oh, okay.
Remember, you can't take the joker.
I got no idea what I'm doing. This is my first time.
Strength of field is 1,268.
First race in the series.
Great job, 10 to go. The next car's the leader. Left side. Still there, hold your line. Clear.
Oh, okay.
Right.
Well, that sucks. Oh my god, that guy almost hit me. Alright, let's see if we can't catch up to some people. So it said 10 laps, 1 joker. This joker's this short one that I've never been through. So let's go through it.
They're showing us the black flag. You didn't stay below the near line. You completed the joker lap. You got the black flag. You didn't stay below the merge line on the joker exit.
Okay, so...
Slow car ahead. Car stopped ahead. Go right.
Ooh. Post-race 20 seconds. Okay. Nothing I can do about it now. I'm not making any sense.
Car on the left. Car stopped on the left. Car stopped on the left. Car stopped ahead. Car stopped ahead.
Wow. Just really cutting someone off, huh?
Clear.
I'm in second position somehow. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you how I drive this car, and hopefully people just tell me how I'm doing it incorrectly. It really turns well under acceleration on pavement. Braking, not so much. So slow in, fast out. As for gravel, I point it the way I want to go, try to brake in a straight line. And then when I give it gas, it kind of goes that way. And once I get it pointed in the right direction, I'm gas all the way. Good for him. Ooh, see? I didn't use any gas there. Car didn't want to rotate. I just love the way this thing sounds. Oh my gosh. It's stuff like that where I'm just like, what am I doing?
You got a slow car on the left. Car stop on the left.
This thing just sounds so cool with the turbo.
You got a slow car on the left. The leader is running 68.019.
Slow lap for him. I wonder if he went to the Joker that one. Safety rating. Didn't hit him.
Car on your left. Keep to the right. Clear.
See ya.
You got a slow car on the left.
I feel like there should be a lot more fight back when I'm getting back on the gravel. I'm sorry, the asphalt. Ooh, that's fast. Yep, and then I did that. Oh my gosh, what am I just crawling through this area? Bless you, bless you. There's a way to like really step on the brakes to get it to rotate. To get the car to rotate. I'm saying this as I literally just found it out. However, I am not confident in doing that yet.
Go right. Left side. Clear.
And that was the end of the race, right? Yep. Alright, 2x. Safety rating should go up.
Solid work.
I'll take it. I'll take it. Let's watch a full lap. I got a little damage from the beginning. But it's pretty clear a lot of those guys haven't driven on here before. Oop. Anyways, tons of fun. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm doing more dirt stuff now.